One of the most important computing tools for students and teachers alike is a web browser that is fast and elegant. Built into Windows 10 is a completely redesigned browser, Microsoft Edge. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to write on any web page, use the reading view for a distraction-free experience, and customize settings to fit your privacy and viewing needs.
Şimdi Microsoft Edge'i açalım. Böylece size ne anlatmak istediğimi göstereyim.
In the taskbar, I'm going to click on the blue icon with an image of a globe to get started. The first thing you'll notice is the minimalist design that provides for a rich, immersive browsing experience. When I hover over the gray bar at the top, you can see that the address and search boxes have been merged. You can type a web address or search for something of interest, all from the same place. Located in the right-hand corner of the window are two icons, a book and a star. The star is for adding a page to your favorite bookmarks or saving to a reading list that you can return to when you have more time. The book tool is a tool that removes advertisements and other distracting elements, leaving just the text. This helps students focus on the content of an article. For example, let's say I gave my students an assignment to read an article on Bing News. Opening it up in the reading view brings the text to the forefront and removes distracting elements. Adding even more functionality to this reading experience is the new Write on the Web tool. Clicking on the square with a pencil opens a purple menu bar at the top with useful annotation tools. From here you have several options for annotating directly on the web page. You can change the color of the pen and write over top of the web page. You could highlight keywords and even take a screen clipping of your favorite part of the web page. Once you've made your annotation, you'll want to save it to a folder in your favorites list or share it to a OneNote research notebook using the disk and sharing icons. Speaking of favorites, Microsoft Edge also gives you a one-stop shop called Hub, where you can find favorites, reading list, browsing history, and downloads. You can access these by clicking on the icon that shows a stack of 3 lines. Lastly, clicking on the 3 dots at the far right gives you access to your browser settings, where you can do things like change the default reading view to make it easier to see, block annoying pop-ups, and protect your computer from malicious sites. Microsoft Edge is built to give you a better web experience, one that's made for easy sharing, reading, discovery, and getting things done online.